Here is a wonderful 2021 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Cherokee delivers refined comfort, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe, connected, and entertained, ample cargo capacity, and rugged all-terrain capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, power liftgate, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, keyless start, premium sound system. Hit the trail in comfort and refinement in the Cherokee. Test drive it today.